Yes, we got this job because of our YouTube exposure, and they had been checking with all kinds of people down in the States that were bolt manufacturers, YouTube manufacturers, and the people in Ohio that we were doing this job for. I didn't do the checking, but they said they could not find anybody in the lower 48 to do the job. And they saw us on YouTube with our, which was a little wacky, wasn't making a U-bolt, but our famous changing a rounded U-bolt to a square top video, which has got a lot of traction and a lot of people telling us how terrible it was that we ruined the temper in this U-bolt. Made U-bolts all kinds of different ways, and yeah, we didn't ruin them, but we did heat them up. This one we definitely heated up.